Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I would like to show you street food in Siem Reap. As you see in the video, there are many people coming to eat lunch because they need to eat something before they go to work or school. Such a small restaurant, but it is the best for a budget eater. It is delicious and affordable. Cambodian street food is a must-try. I believe that street food isn't generally clean enough, but this place is recommended because many employees from companies and the government sector usually come and eat here. There are many popular dishes in Cambodian street food, but I cannot say specific the most popular. Have you ever experienced such a vibrant food scene in your country? You know, beyond the delicious food, Cambodian street food is a cultural experience. It's a chance to connect with locals, learn about their traditions, and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the city. When it comes to experiencing the true flavors of Cambodia, there's no better place to start than the bustling street food scene. Not only the food delicious, but it's also incredibly affordable, offering a budget-friendly way to savor the local cuisine. One of the biggest advantages of Cambodian street food is its affordability compared to the price at restaurants. You can enjoy a variety of dishes at a fraction of the cost. From savory snacks to hearty meals, there's something for everyone. You know, I like going to street food in my city because I could choose many different dishes that I prefer, and for me, I like fried fish or fried pork, something like that. It's very delicious and of course affordable. Moreover, I could also enjoy the view of new people come to buy food. They even have food stickers for the customer to look at, which is very interesting. And it seems like their business is going pretty well because there are many people come in and out all the time. As you notice in the video, you can see that there is a tree in the middle, and even though there is a tree, they still found a way to decorate this place to become a street food place which is very popular. And of course, the tree is very eye-catching and it saves lots of space. I really like the idea. Alright everyone, please enjoy the rest of the video and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you in the next video. Please take care and stay safe. Goodbye!
ông thấy chồng ta rồi lên đại buồn buồn bởi ăn buồn con rồi
Trời khoai đấy.
Rồi, biết ngọt 2 bài bồn. Rồi, biết ngọt 2 bài bồn rồi. Rồi, biết ngọt 2 bài bồn.
anh đi ăn đi qua chợ bắt ra ăn mới đấy
Tiền muối. Để